To the train. We're gonna bring them on the bus first.
You guys have a car.
I'm gonna tell my car.
You have a car, Jimmy? How is it?
See it.
What?
See it, nigga.
You heard?
God damn. Chill, boy. That was a stab because you crashed.
You wanna see? Did you guys play ball today?
Nah.
More?
All day.
Let's stay.
We're all just chilling at the crib today.
Are they trying to go ball tomorrow?
Yeah, bro.
No, are they trying to ball the third?
Let's go.
In the morning.
Ready to fucking deadlift.
I fucking called you, bro. On Facebook. Bro, like it's out. Fuck. What? Huh? Can I go back in? They can't go in no more? Can't go back in no more? Oh. Play the big chop. Mau kita, ilaga kita.
Okay, you never told me that. I sleep next to it. Why the kid told me that? This guy showed
I
me
think
that.
Mau kita wants the phone.
Can't tell me that. This guy reported me sleeping. Look at you, bro.
I don't know what you're talking about. Hey, dogs, let me do some y'all niggas.
Here.
What is Darren doing? Tell him
I'm
what.
faded.
Y'all went on the train?
No, we're gonna go tomorrow. We're gonna bring Kiara and Rosa.
Let me lift you up. Tell him.
I'm faded, boys.
Yeah, I'm gonna call what I called. This guy.
Jimmy, you put a nut. You almost crashed.
That nigga's fucked up.
Who's not going to the gym? You going?
I'm going back. Back.
You are?
Are you going to
You going?
cancel?
Yeah, it's already, let's go in the morning.
Bro, that guy's waiting, bro. He's gonna hit it right now.
Hey, what happened this morning?
Why don't we just go in the morning? Tell
Give him
Dice.
the money.
There's no gym. They on time, gym in the morning. All them niggas are still sleeping.
Nigga, you wake up early, you're supposed to wake up everybody.
Oh my god.
You think everybody's gonna wake up when you wake up? No.
No.
You ain't no fucking...
Let's go gym. Fuck Darren.
There's the coyotes here.
Who? It's the coyote.
This car is good for Chuukese.
I want 6 packs. No, I don't want 6 packs. I want 8 packs. Darren, let me come gym with you.
Hey, what?
How was your day? How was your day today?
Good, bro. It was good. It was good. Just say it was good, bro.
What?
This nigga already said it a lot of times.
It's alright, nigga. Fuck.
Just say it was good. Say it was good, bro. How about you, bro? How was your day today? Huh? Where's Ty? Where's Ty? Look at me, bro. What's up, man? Sid. What's up? How are you?
Good.
What'd you do today?
I slept.
Man. See, don't lean onto that one, nigga. Diets? Park in the morning. What the fuck? Where'd you come from, man? You throw trash away? Or what'd you do? Oh, you're chasing Dunda? Fuck you. Oh, yeah, let's put the piano in there.
Don't forget, stop running around.